Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today we introducing a contemporary superb home design built for 40 lakhs. Exterior is made colorful using good paints and simple interior. Exterior view itself is self-design. The pillar works and exterior wall design is awesome. Each shapes of design has architectural touch. Simple color combination of white with grey has made this home a good one. Sit out is provided with a 3-seat wooden chair. Front door is made of antique design in wood. Let's enter into the living room. Here a 5-seated cushion sofa is placed. The shelf rack is made design with glass and separation. Living room leads to dining area where a wooden table with 6-seat capacity is available. A TV unit is available here for entertainment. Let's step into the bedrooms. Here a simple double cot provided. Also a wardrobe and dressing area available. This is the second bedroom where a double cot with near design is given. Here too a wardrobe and dressing area provided. Attached bathroom is available here. Moving on to the kitchen, we see a modular design in chain stair model. Cabinet storage is available under rack space. Now moving to the first floor, we see a simple staircase in steel red. Also, a common toilet is available here. The bedrooms are available here. Both arranged in simple style with double cot and wardrobe. Balcony is available where a hanging chair is given for relaxati on and scenic view. View from here is also awesome since the greenish background make a natural touch. This is a good home with simple construction ideas and design with 40 lakh.